Sir, I need your license, registration, insurance.
I'm not giving you anything. Call the sergeant.
Put your hand behind your back. My hand behind your back. Turn around. Man, get the off of me.
Act like a fucking adult. No! Relax.
Every police officer will tell you that a car stop has the ability to go south in the blink of an eye. When you approach a car and the driver instantly gives you aggression, you know that you might end up having to go hands-on. But you never want it to be hands-on with a sovereign citizen on the side of a busy highway because you know someone's going to end up going to jail. This is one of those.
Suspended on a 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee color white out of Newark 46 Roman holding jail.
Radio ear, you can hear the dispatcher saying that the license is showing suspended on the vehicle that the officer has stopped. Passenger side approach, good. You also can hear another unit saying, "I'll be en route." Just by hearing what this officer has on this stop, a backup unit is already going en route without even being asked. That's good stuff.
Not absolutely nothing. You were suspended, your license, and your registration. So I need your licenence, registration, insurance.
I'm not giving you anything. Call the sergeant.
License, registration, insurance.
I'm not giving you anything.
Yes, you will.
No, I'm not.
You're going to be placed under arrest.
Look, check this out.
You're going to be placed under arrest.
You want me my license and registration?
Or step it up.
He gets on the radio and says, "Step it up." This is crucial to what's going to happen going forward because he's going to roll code.
All right, sir. Step out for me, please.
I'm not getting out my car.
Out.
As you see, I'm asking for a superior. No, you're not about to open my door. Look at me trying to open my door.
That's right.
Look at you. No, get out my car.
No, sir.
No, get out my car.
Get out.
Get out of my car.
Get out.
Sir, can I see a superior?
No, absolutely not. You can speak to one later.
No, I got to talk to a superior. No, No, you can't open my door.
Yes,
that's against the law.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. You cannot open my. You cannot open my. Look what he's doing, y'all.
Yes, sir.
You cannot open my door. You cannot open my door.
Step out.
No, you're not.
Step out.
Get out the car.
Step out, you're getting dragged out.
No, you're not.
Step out, you're getting dragged out.
No, you're not.
Step out, you're getting dragged out.
Get off of my what's your name?
Step out, you're getting dragged out.
Dragged out for what?
Bro, don't do it.
Dragging me out for?
Step out. Step out. Step out. Step out. Step out.
Look at this.
Put the phone down. Put the phone down and turn around.
No, it's not.
Put it down.
No, it's not. I'm not
under
arrest.
Yes, you are. Turn around.
Arrest for what?
Turn around.
What am I under arrest for? Get off of me, bro. Get off of me, bro.
Bro, you're gonna get sprayed. Turn around.
Look at this. Yo, listen, I'm not resisting.
You're gonna get sprayed.
Put your hand behind your back. My hand is behind my back.
Put your hand behind your back.
My hand behind my back.
Turn around.
Man, get the off of me.
No, turn around.
Why the you pulled me over?
I just told you, but you didn't want to listen. You want to scream.
I ain't listening. I am listening. You talk. I said, give me a sergeant.
No, sir. That's not how that works.
That's how it goes.
No, it doesn't. Turn around. You're gonna get sprayed. Turn around.
You're not gonna spray me.
Yes, I am. If you don't turn around, I promise you I will. I promise you.
I promise you won't.
I promise you.
My phone. Hey, y'all see this, right?
Well, dude, if you listened the first time, we wouldn't have to be here.
Y'all see this? They harassing me for nothing at all. Nothing at all. Nothing at all. I'm not resisting. Look.
Yes, you were, bro. You don't listen.
It's on camera. I hope y'all camera was on. I wasn't resisting.
It's on for all this, bro. So you're not having to argue.
What y'all locking me up for?
In custody, we can see that this person was being very aggressive with the officer and non-compliant and not listening to lawful orders. We heard the officer initially ask for the backup unit to step it up. However, here is a challenge that I have. Why do we go hands-on if we know that our unit is coming to back us up and they get there within less than a minute? The other thing is the officer has both hands full. He has pepper spray in one hand and his flashlight in the other hand. Why do we have both of our hands occupied in this kind of situation? In my opinion, the best practice is to have your gun hand free. The other thing is pepper spray the best tool in this interaction. Because remember, pepper spray, OC spray, is going to affect the officer and the suspect, especially in that confined space.
What did y'all locking me up for? I ain't do shit.
Stop fucking yelling, all right?
I ain't do nothing.
Relax, man. Act like a fucking adult.
Man, get your fucking hands
Act like an adult.
Stop putting your hands on my face. Get this guy right here, please.
Relax.
Please get him. He is thought. He is illegal.
No, it's not illegal, sir. Number one, you're
Yo, this guy pulled me over for nothing. I'm at Short Hills Mall.
You want me to tell you why? You want to keep screaming?
Yo, he's dragged me out my
No! Relax. Act like a fucking adult.
Yo,
2
him.
seconds. I'm gonna fucking speak with him.
Okay.
Tell me what's going on.
I was at Short Hills Mall.
Okay.
I came around and what's the name? I came out, he threw his lights on.
Okay.
I followed all over. He said, I pulled you over because your license suspended. I said, why'd you running my plates? I didn't do a traffic.
We can run your plates.
I understand that, but
regardless.
But listen, you cannot pull me over if it's not a traffic infringement. I done been through this shit.
Listen. We can run your plate regardless.
But you can't pull me over for no traffic. It's if you pull me over, it's got to be a traffic infringement. I did not, listen, I did not disobey no traffic. What's the name?
I think he means traffic infraction. He's saying infringement, but he's wrong, and I'll explain why.
I get that.
But look,
you're not listening to me.
I understand what you said. I know my rights.
Okay.
I know my rights.
Listen, I know.
was in my car. This guy took me out my car. Yes, he is. You cannot take me out my car. I called for a sergeant. I said, can you give me a superior?
Sergeant's on the way.
I said, can you give me? No, he pulled me out my car. No, I ain't getting no superior. He pulls me out my car, start opening my door, then he stepped back and about to spray me. Sir, you cannot do that to me. Okay, if you want something from me, I'm getting out the car. Then he say he gonna spray me. I'm like, bro, why you gonna spray me? Look at, man, he just started treating me all crazy, man. And that's the only reason why I'm bad. Because you can't pull me out my car. Everything he did was totally illegal. Totally illegal. That was illegal. He pulled me out my car right there. He went inside. He took his hand and went inside of my car and opened my door and started pulling me out of my car.
When did he put his lights on?
He put his lights on back there.
Back by the mall, right?
Back by the mall.
Why did it take you so long? That's why he's doing this. It's because it took you so long.
I said I was going to pull into a residential area. I didn't want to pull in over the highway. I thought I was getting off in a residential area when it said Morristown. But when I got on the highway, I saw it wasn't. I pulled over. I said, okay, I ain't going to go too far because I don't want to make it seem like they're chasing me. So when he got right here, I said, okay, yo, just call the superior. I said, what are you pulling me over for? It wasn't like I speeded. It wasn't like I was speeding, taking a high-speed chase. I was doing about 25 miles per hour.
I get it.
So when I pulled over, he opened the door. You grabbing me out for what? My car not coming back reported stolen. Okay, you may say I'm driving on suspended license. Okay, yeah, I'm giving up my right as a living being. I'm going to salvaging. All my paperwork is being done. I don't need no license, registration, or no plates. They told me to take my plates off. So the court told me to take their plates off. I got a Lonio title to my car. I don't need this shit.
You need to have it registered.
Yeah, no, you don't.
Whatever they told you is a lie.
He's right. And this guy is getting some sovereign nonsense from someone, and he is convoluting some law with sovereign stuff that doesn't make any sense. And he does need license plates. It's just baffling that these people continue to believe this stuff and think that it's going to work.
It's federal. And so the Supreme Court is the supreme law of the land.
We're not going to get into that.
I understand all that, but I went through it. So, you know what? And he shouldn't have never did what he did, pulling me out my car. I wasn't in no high-speed chase.
I understand. But when it takes you almost a mile to
No, it wasn't no mile. I just
half
turned.
mile, whatever.
It wasn't even no half mile. I turned off right there.
By the on-ramp, right?
Yeah, on-ramp. I ain't even 1,000 feet. Probably 1,000 feet away. But for him to go in my car and pull me out my car, I am suing you, bro. He started munching my face, talking about turn around. Why you got your hands in my face, man?
Spitting it.
I'm not spitting, bro. I'm talking this way. He's got his hands in my face. I am suing the shit out of y'all, bro. I'm suing the you should have saw what he doing to me. He dragged me out my car, man. He dragged me out of my car. Where's your superior at, man?
No,
this is totally wrong. Nah,
you're sitting in the back. Go ahead.
Give my phone. Where's my phone at?
It's gonna go right next to you.
This guy's nasty, bro. This guy's nasty. Please, somebody give me another officer, man.
Sit in the car.
Okay, so the guy was complaining that the officer ran his plates. There are two cases I'd like you to look up. Caldwell versus Lewis. Charlie Adam, Lincoln David, William Easy, Lincoln, and Lewis is Lincoln Easy, William, Ida Sam. And that's a 1974 case, which gives the police the ability to look at VINs and look at license plates. It's not considered a search. Then there's a newer case, and it's a 2005 case, and it's Glover v. Kansas. And that case also talks about the fact that it's not considered a search. Police are able to run your plate because it's visible to the public. For some reason, it's gotten out there that by the police running your plates, that it's some kind of violation of your rights, and it's not. The police can look at your VIN, and they can look at your license plates. I mean, it's visible to the public. If you hear people saying that the police aren't allowed to run your plates, the police 100% can run your plates. And it's sad to see a person of this age believe in this.
Sit in the car. Everything's being recorded. You got another camera right in front of you.
I don't care, man. You was totally disrespectful, man. You was totally disrespectful.
Who started screaming from the beginning?
You shouldn't have pulled me out my car.
Who started screaming from the beginning?
You shouldn't have pulled me out my car.
Okay.
Matos should apparently...
Matos pulled him over?
Yeah, at light 4, I guess he lit him up, and he didn't stop until here. So I guess Matos walked in and got all hot because he didn't stop for whatever, a mile. Okay. So he tried to pull him out, and the guy started resisting. I don't know, talk to Matos. That's fine.
Regarding Matos, there's a thing in policing called tombstone courage. And tombstone courage is where you're incredibly courageous in what you do, but it can lead you to having a tombstone sooner than necessary. Do you do things or put yourself into situations that could be potentially dangerous or become more dangerous for the officers that are assisting you? Not saying he's a bad officer. I'm merely looking at what I see on this video and providing an opportunity for something I believe could be done safer.
This is open like this?
Yeah, after he pulled him out. He just try to yank him out because you didn't stop?
No, well, not because of that. Like, that'd be silly. I came around this side, and I said, all right, sir, so, and then right off bat, you, I'm not stopping, I'm not doing none of this, I'm suspended, you didn't pull me over for no reason, start screaming at me right from the beginning. I said, I'm not doing shit, I'm not giving you nothing. I was like, okay, then get out.
One other thing I like to add is this subject was resisting, definitely resisting, but was he actually physically attacking and trying to fight the officer? In my opinion, no. It would have been a completely different situation had that occurred. So we have to be careful and take that also into consideration.
Hey, listen, what's your first name?
My name is Deshaun Wiggins.
Deshaun Wiggins.
Yes,
all right.
my ID and all my license.
All right, that's fine.
Right there, man.
Listen, so here's what's going on. He's saying that the boss is on the way, by the way, I call him.
Yes.
He's saying that you didn't want to give him any paperwork, like license, registration, any of that stuff.
I said when he pulled over, I said, what are you pulling me over for? I have the right to ask.
Correct, and he has the right to tell you. He's supposed to tell you.
He said, and I said, can I speak to him? He said, no. He said, get out the car. I said, what are you pulling me over for? He said, license, registration. I said, sir, what are you pulling me over for?
Okay.
I didn't do anything. Listen, I saw him. He chased me.
From the mall?
From the mall.
Okay.
He chased me. I didn't want to pull over on the highway. I wanted to pull over.
We get that, yeah.
Right? That's all I wanted to do. Not only that, look at his camera. I stopped and I said, excuse me, officer, I'm trying to pull over on the town. I said that outside of my car window. He said, pull over. I said, you know what? I ain't going to try to cause no problems. I pulled over. If you look at that video camera, you will see my hand out the window saying, officer, pull on the side of me. He said, no, I'm not pulling on the side of you. I said, okay, I'm just trying to pull into town. I said, you know what? I pulled over. I said that. Ask him, did I say that? Why is he checking my car? This is not a criminal, this not a criminal stop. This ain't a criminal stop. Tell him to get out my car. I did not give him consent to check my car. Please, officer.
They can't go in your car.
He is in my car. He is in my car. They are checking my car for what? For what? He can't be in my car.
We're allowed to look what's in plain view.
Listen, you can't check my car.
We can look and see what's in plain view. He's not going to go in there. If he goes in there, correct. You're all correct. But we can look from outside the car and see what's in there. That's fine.
I don't have a problem with him checking the car, but like him right there, he just violated me. You cannot pull me over if it's not a traffic stop. Even if you see my license or something that expired, you have to wait till I do something illegal and use that as a what's the name.
That's not correct.
Rockland versus U.S. 425-261, Title 16, 2016. If Union Police hit somebody's license plate, you pulled them over while they in the parking lot. When they pulled them over, they gave him a ticket, towed his car, and said that
in the parking lot.
Yeah, in the parking lot. Put him over in the parking lot, towed his car. Said what was the traffic infringement? Said we hit his plate. They said that's not enough to cover to have somebody pulled over and then tow their car
in the parking lot.
Yeah, he pulled them over in the parking lot. He was about to pull them out. He was about to pull out. He blocked them in.
Again, I think he means traffic infraction. And the Title 16 261 that I believe that he's talking about, and I could be wrong, but I think he's confusing it because the one that he's mentioning, or the one that I think he wants to mention, it has to do with like national forestry. And I know that I've heard sovereigns use that one before, but he's got this stuff all mixed up.
I did not commit no traffic infringement.
We're not in the parking lot anymore. We're driving the car on a public roadway.
I didn't commit no traffic infringement. I didn't. I wasn't speeding.
I understand.
Listen, I wasn't speeding. I made my left-hand turn. I turned my signals on. I wasn't doing nothing illegal. I did not do.
I understand.
Traffic. So what kind
is your license suspended? You don't have to tell me. I mean, he's going to run it anyway.
Listen, all this stuff, I let all this go. They told me I had to let my license be suspended. I had to let my registration run out in order to get my sovereignty. So that's what they had told me. So I let it all run out. I didn't pay it. And then once I'm in there right now, my paperwork is in. My baby mother sent all the paperwork.
What is that for?
It's for my sovereignty.
That's it right there. They told me to let all my stuff suspend and expire so that I don't have all this stuff. Someone is telling him this stuff and he believes it's going to work. He said, they are telling me to do this stuff. This is going to be a form of conversion therapy because hopefully people are going to make better decisions. This does not work. It just doesn't work.
Your living rights. You don't have to have your license.
So you're a sovereign citizen is what you're saying?
Yes, I'm applying for my sovereign citizen.
In the state of New Jersey, if you don't provide license, registration, insurance, or at least your license, you're going to get arrested.
He's checking my car. Look, he's inside of my car. Look, he's inside of my car. He's inside of
Hang on. What's he doing? What are you doing? This guy's fucking flipping out.
I have to get these bags. What are we talking?
It's a sovereign citizen.
Yeah, he was going. He went ballistic on me right from the beginning. I didn't even get a chance to say nothing to him. He started screaming and yelling. I'm not.
Well, that's what he said. He told me he asked you what you were stopping him for.
Yeah.
And then you're like, I'll tell you after you give me your paperwork.
Not in the slightest. None of that happened. As soon as I walked through the window, I'm not giving you shit, nothing like that. He said, why the fuck are you stopping me? You're driving while suspended. Okay, I'm not giving you shit.
Well, that's what he said. He's in there fucking citing case law to me. And I'm like, dude, in the state of New Jersey, we can run your registration.
Yeah.
And if anything comes back wrong, then we can stop you.
It hit off my LPR. I didn't even run.
LPR, license plate reader, those are really, really effective tools. They can make mistakes, but they're usually pretty effective. They've been around for a while. And not just in New Jersey, but any state.
Is he tinted though?
Tinted too.
Yeah.
But it's a whole bunch of he tried ducking on me too. So like we passed each other Neiman's, right in front of Neiman's, right in front of J1, and then I spun around, and by the time I turned around, he was gone. So he tried going the long way around the deck. So I cut through in front of Legal Seafoods and met him in front of Macy's, and he tried fucking ducking me in front of a couple. I was like, bro, you're not.
All right, you're good here, right?
Yeah. I just saw it. He's gonna give me a hard time when we get down there. So
I think not Delgado. Panero's gonna come.
The normal charges are what we see here: the resisting, the obstructing, and the traffic stuff that they initially end up getting stopped for. This has got to be some form of conversion therapy, because if you look at the resources that were utilized on this incident, it's mind-boggling. Again, it's a contagion. I've said this way back, covering these videos when I just started this channel. Send this video to anyone who you think could possibly be attacked by the contagion of this sovereign citizen nonsense, because it just doesn't work. If you like this kind of content, like the video, share it with someone, subscribe to the channel, and click on the video that's on your screen for content just like this.